Have you seen the message this account might include sensitive content on X? Don't worry! You can easily fix it. This warning appears when your account shares content that may not be suitable for all audiences. Let's explore how to change that. Begin by reviewing your recent posts. Look for any images or text that could trigger this warning. Remove or edit any posts that contain sensitive material, or adjust the privacy settings for specific tweets. Next, update your account settings. Ensure that your profile accurately reflects the content you share. Finally, review Twitter's community guidelines to ensure your content aligns and avoids further warnings. After making changes, give it some time. Twitter might take a moment to refresh your account status. Engage positively with your audience. Share appropriate content to boost your account's reputation. If issues persist, reach out to Twitter support for assistance. They can provide additional guidance. By following these steps, you can minimize warnings and enhance your Twitter experience. Happy tweeting! Remember, a responsible user is a happy user. Stay engaged and respectful on the platform. Thanks for watching. For more social media tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.